Welcome to our channel Indian Legends Alpha Laboratory ILAL. Today let's continue Fundamentals of English Grammar episode 6 topic 4 orthography. The subtopic W and Y both can play the role of vowels as well as consonants. It is a very interesting topic. So here we have read 5 vowels are there and 21 consonants are there, but 2 letters their behavior is so unique that they can serve as the consonant some of the time and sometimes they can serve as the vowel, and everything is dependent on the place where they are used. The letters W and Y remain at the beginning of a word, they are consonants. But if they are in the middle or at the end of the word, they are vowels. But if they will occur in the beginning of a word or at the end of the word, then they will behave like the vowels. So, very interesting characteristics. We need to, only a single rule is there. So, with the help of that, we can identify whether W and Y they are behaving as the consonant or they are behaving as the vowels. Again I am repeating the rule. If W and Y they will be located in the initial letter of the word, then they will behave like the consonants. If they will come to the middle or the end of the word, then they will behave like the vowels. Let us take some more examples so that our ideas about this or about this confusion will be once for all will be cleared. Take the word we. So, W is the starting letter of this word. So, here it is a consonant. Then wave, the word starts with W. So, here W is a consonant. Wicket, the word starts with W. So, here it is the consonant. Then wicked. So, the word starts with W. Therefore, it is a consonant. Wake, the word starts with W. So, it is a consonant. Then watch, it starts with W. So, W is a consonant. U, the word starts with Y. So, it is Y is the consonant here. Yellow, here the word starts with Y. So, it is a consonant. Then es, the word starts with Y. So, Y is a consonant here. Then ear, so again the word starts with Y. So, it is a consonant here. Then east, so the word starts with Y. So, Y is a consonant here. Then young, again the word starts with Y. So, again it is a consonant. Then gowns, as you can see W appears in the middle of the word. So, W is a vowel. Then hawks, again the word W appears in the middle of the word. Therefore, it is a vowel. Then dawn, it appears in the middle of the word. So, it is a vowel. Then lawyer, W appears in the middle part of the word, therefore, it is a vowel. Then lawns, again the W appears in the middle of the word, so it is a vowel. Then pawns, W appears in the middle of the word, therefore, it is a vowel. Then fellow, so here W appears at the end of the word, so it is a vowel. Then below, the word or the letter W appears at the end of the word, therefore, it is a vowel. Flow, again here it is a vowel. Shadow, W is a vowel here. View, W is a vowel here. Window, W is a vowel here. Then coming to Y. Rhyme, Y appears in the middle of the word, therefore, it is a vowel. Hydrogen, Y appears in the middle of the word, therefore, it is a vowel. Paralyze, Y appears in the middle. Bollywood, Y appears in the middle. Style, Y appears in the middle. Therefore, these are vowels. Then any, Y comes at the end of the word. Therefore, it is a vowel. Ably, Y appears at the end. So, Y is a vowel here. Abruptly, Y comes at the end. So, it is a vowel here. Why, day, key, sky, bury, all these words Y appears at the end. Therefore, all these are vowels. So, this is all about the changing behavior of W and Y as consonant and vowel. Thank you all. Have a nice and wonderful day. Jai Hind. Thank you. For upcoming videos, never forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel. To get updated notification, press the bell icon.